Come spend the weekend with me. Going to have a photo shoot today. This is my mom. These are my cousins who are assisting us. Going to Lorcan Photo Studio.
They are actually known for their self-shoot photo studio, which is also the package that we got from my mom's photo shoot today. But you also have an option to rent the whole studio for yourself and hire their photographer or bring your own photographer.
So this is Lorcan Photo Studio, you guys. Self photo shoots. You can see yourself. They have various backdrop colors like gray, paper mode. Yeah, pagbalik na ako ng 10%. And you visit, use my code.
Ano sa'yo mo code?
Pretty. L'Oreal. Fierce.
How was your pictorial?
Kapoy ang gores. Uy, mag-artista, uy. Pero I'm happy. You. Mami.
Ako na signal sisig. Amo na lang gikaon ang cake. Nagikan sa photoshoot. And nag-order na kayo ng famous Ilocos empanada. Manawa hang. Tada! Ang ito man lang ibalot og foil, plastic.
Gipahig.
But it's so huge. Empanada with
What?
cheese.
Yan na yun siya i-flex. Usa ka daw nimo.
Okay lang to ya.
Nag-pregame pero sa kaon.
Bigurot na still. Where are you, Marian? We are hunting for sisig. Cravings for today is sisig. Hopefully, there's sisig here already. Nandito kami. Wala pa nito yun. Asum.
6, 7.
Ayoko makitaan sa owner lang ako. Rating kayo. 3. Ikaw daw.
6, 7 mga kurimaw.
Nakita gud ni og sisig kay nag-crave gud.
Murag naghatod.
Happy birthday na ni Trixie. Birthday Trixie.
Trixie!
Nahibong yung mga tanong sa may sila eh.
Expensive kayo. Ang katawan.